IAT F16949 and ISO 13485. From consumer electronics and medical devices to automotive, aerospace and machine vision, we design custom solutions built for performance and reliability. Our range includes LVDS EDP micro-coaxial, FFC waterproof and molded cables using premium connectors from brands like Molex, JST, Tyco and Amphenol, with options from 20 to 60 pins fine pitch designs, down to 0.25mm and micro wires, as thin as 4/8 AWG. We can meet even the most demanding specs. Reach out today and discover how our expertise can power your success. IAT F16949 and ISO 13485. From consumer electronics and medical devices to automotive, aerospace and machine vision, we